Hello, Holy One. Hello, hello. Welcome to this space. Welcome to this space. So I'm Garris, and this is the space of sacred expansion. I share a lot of different content on my channel, and one of the things that I like to share as well is when I get packages in the mail. And so I got a package, and I would love to share it with you. So let's look at this together. All right. I'm so excited. I'm always blown away when I get gifts. It's just the icing on the cake because the spaces I hold, the connection points I facilitate, the comments I receive, the emails I receive, the direct messages I receive are such gifts. They're just such gifts in the connection points with all of you. Your love, your kindness, your gratitude for my time, for my energy, for my love, for the spaces that I create, and share quite often. So thank you for all of those incredible ways in which I am blessed and receiving the gifts of our connection through your comments, your emails, all the ways in which you shout out to me your gratitude and your love. And then these icing on the cake moments come in, and I just wanted to share them with our beautiful Acasma family. So here we go. There's a note. Let's see what the note says. A gift for you, sending you so much love and light, dear one. Thank you for helping me to remember who I am, who we all are. Wishing you a holiday season filled with love and joy, from Tani. Thank you, Holy One. Thank you, beautiful Tani. I am so grateful. Just that in itself is an incredible gift. Thank you. And now let's see what's in this box. So this came from my Amazon wish list, which is so fun. I created it years ago, and every now and then someone finds their way to it and they send me something. So thank you, Tani, for finding your way to that wish list. I'm excited to see what you chose. All right, beautiful. So lovely wrapping on each of the gifts. Thank you. This is quite heavy. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh my goodness. So this is the Amish farm bar soap, quality handcrafted face body shampoo and shave. Wow. From the Amish. Love. Wow. Thank you, Tani. Thank you. I'm excited. Oh, I love it. And they do smell. They smell so beautiful. And I'm really particular with scents, even when they are items that I think are going to be, natural or of good quality. Many times I'll get an oil in or a soap in or a lotion in or something in that I can't use because I can tell it's got chemicals in it that aren't optimal. They're not made for the human body. And those soaps smell amazing. Thank you, Tani. Thank you. Here's another one, all wrapped so nicely, and all of them with this beautiful card, sending love and gratitude. So grateful for you, Tani. Thank you for taking the time and picking these things out for me. What is in this one, you guys? Let's see. Oh, the Quantum Oracle. Oh, I look forward to working with this. So this is an oracle deck that I had picked out that I thought looked pretty and looked beautiful in many ways. So the Quantum Oracle deck, I'll have to tell you guys how I like it. Maybe we'll do a reading together. Would that be fun? Oh, I love it. Tani, thank you. Wow. Another one. How? You're spoiling me, Tani. Oh, the Crystal Bible. I had a copy years ago and I gave it away to somebody and I never got it back. And I always would love to have had it in my library again. Thank you, Tani. This is a really good book. I've already used this book for years. And like I said, I no longer have my copy. So thank you replenishing this to me. I'm so grateful. This is a really good book. Crystal Bible. Love this book. Thank you, Tani. Thank you. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is lovely, Tani. This is a beautiful memory foam bath mat that I had picked out, and Tani got it for me. So when I get out of the bath, I'll be on this nice, cushy, soft, beautiful bath mat. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. That is so thoughtful, so thoughtful. One more. Ooh, smells good. Smells good. What am I smelling? Oh my goodness. Essential shower steamers. Canadian-owned business, essential oils, lavender, jasmine, bergamot, peppermint, lemon, orange, grapefruit, and eucalyptus peppermint. Ooh, I love it. Ugh, look at these, you guys. And let me just tell you, the minute I opened up the bag, the gift bag, I could smell them. Wow, they smell lovely. Thank you, Tani. Oh my goodness, I am set. Am I not set? Wow, you blew me away. Oh my goodness, how thoughtful of you. How extremely thoughtful of you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for thinking of me and for getting me these gifts. I am just blown away by your love and your kindness and your connection. I am very grateful to do what I do. This is my career, this is my living, you know, my work, even though it doesn't feel as if it is really work. It is my energy and it is my time, and your gratitude is received. Your love is felt. Thank you. Thank you for blessing me. Thank you. And to all who are in our beautiful connection, and however you find my work, my spaces, my content, and you're giving me a thumbs up or a heart, or you're writing a beautiful, loving comment, or you're emailing me feedback on a massive movement of energy in your life, a healing, a shift, a release, an expansion. Thank you. Thank you all. I am so grateful to do what I do, to be this space, and I'm honored to walk with each and every one of you. Honored. Thank you. Thank you for allowing me to walk with you, and thank you for choosing to walk with me. Blessings upon you, Holy One. Blessings.